Have you ever wondered why heart disease remains the #1 killer worldwide? What if I told you the secret to protecting your heart and cleaning your arteries lies not in expensive medicines or complicated surgeries, but in what's on your plate every single day? Yes, that's right. Today, on Official Senior Health, we're diving deep into the 5 best meals that can naturally clean out your arteries, boost your heart health, and help you live a longer, more vibrant life. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have simple, delicious, and powerful meal ideas that you can start incorporating immediately. No gimmicks, no fuss. Before we jump into these meals, here's a quick question. What if I told you that some of your everyday foods might be slowly clogging your arteries, while others have the power to reverse the damage? The truth is, your arteries can heal, and it starts with what you eat. The human body is an incredible machine, but like any machine, it needs proper maintenance. Your arteries are like highways that carry blood, oxygen, and nutrients throughout your body. When these highways get clogged with fatty deposits, a condition known as atherosclerosis, your risk for heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases skyrockets. Thankfully, nature has gifted us with foods that act as natural cleansers for these arteries. These meals aren't just tasty, they're packed with ingredients scientifically proven to reduce plaque buildup, lower bad cholesterol, and improve overall blood flow. Imagine reversing years of artery clogging by simply enjoying meals packed with vibrant colors, fresh ingredients, and heart-healthy fats. No starvation, no strict diets, just real food that loves your heart back. Intrigued? Let's get right into it. Meal 1. The power-packed salmon and quinoa bowl. Our first superstar meal combines the omega-3 rich benefits of salmon with the fiber and antioxidant properties of quinoa and fresh vegetables. Salmon is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which work wonders in reducing inflammation inside the arteries. This inflammation is one of the key players in plaque buildup and artery hardening. But why salmon? Omega-3s help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and keep your blood vessels flexible. This means your arteries remain clear and elastic, ensuring smooth blood flow. Quinoa adds another layer of heart protection. Unlike white rice or processed grains, quinoa is a complete protein packed with fiber and antioxidants. Fiber is essential here because it helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that sticks to your artery walls. Now, picture a bowl filled with perfectly grilled salmon resting atop a bed of fluffy quinoa, mixed with a medley of steamed spinach, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten flavors and boost vitamin C intake, which further supports artery health. This meal is a powerful combination that not only cleans your arteries but also keeps you full and satisfied. You're feeding your heart and your body the very best. If you think eating for your heart means bland or boring food, this salmon quinoa bowl will change your mind. It's a feast for your taste buds and a medicine for your arteries. Meal 2. The vibrant beet and walnut salad. Next up, we have a colorful, nutrient-dense beet and walnut salad that's a natural artery cleaner. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Nitric oxide plays a critical role in maintaining healthy arteries by preventing plaque formation and reducing blood pressure. Studies show that regular beet consumption can significantly improve vascular function, making it easier for your heart to pump blood efficiently. Walnuts, on the other hand, are packed with heart-healthy fats, including alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. They also contain antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a key factor that damages arteries. Imagine a salad with roasted beets, crunchy walnuts, arugula or kale, slices of fresh orange for a touch of sweetness, and a simple dressing made of olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and a hint of honey. This meal is bursting with textures and flavors, and more importantly, it's a powerhouse for artery health. Would you believe a humble root vegetable and a handful of nuts could be one of the best weapons against clogged arteries? This salad is a game-changer for your heart. Meal 3. Oatmeal with berries and flax seeds. Breakfast might just be the most important meal for your heart, and a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and flax seeds can be your daily artery cleaning ritual. Oatmeal is loaded with soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive system and helps flush it out of your body. This process reduces the amount of LDL cholesterol circulating in your blood and prevents it from depositing in your artery walls. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants known as flavonoids. These compounds protect your arteries from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Flax seeds are another hero ingredient. They provide lignans and omega-3 fatty acids that further reduce arterial inflammation and improve blood lipid profiles. Combining these three into a warm, comforting bowl every morning helps regulate cholesterol levels and keeps your arteries clear and healthy. Starting your day with this simple yet powerful meal could be the easiest way to protect your heart and clean your arteries. And guess what? It tastes delicious too. Meal 4. Garlic and spinach stir-fry with brown rice. Garlic is an ancient superfood revered for its cardiovascular benefits, and when paired with spinach and brown rice, it creates a perfect artery-friendly meal. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound known to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that prevent artery damage. Spinach is rich in nitrates, just like beets, which boost nitric oxide production and improve blood flow. Plus, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall heart health. Brown rice provides whole grain fiber and magnesium, both important for maintaining healthy blood pressure and preventing arterial stiffness. Picture this: a warm stir-fry of sautéed garlic and fresh spinach served over fluffy brown rice, seasoned with a dash of turmeric or black pepper for an anti-inflammatory kick. This meal is simple, flavorful, and incredibly effective at protecting your arteries. What if the secret to cleaner arteries is sitting in your kitchen pantry right now? Garlic and spinach are humble ingredients with mighty powers to heal your heart. Meal 5. Avocado and chickpea wrap with mixed greens. Our final meal is a nutrient-rich avocado and chickpea wrap that combines healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants into a convenient, delicious package. Avocado is loaded with monounsaturated fats, which raise your HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that helps remove bad cholesterol from your arteries. It's also packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Chickpeas add a plant-based protein punch along with soluble fiber to lower LDL cholesterol. Toss in some mixed greens like arugula or baby spinach, a sprinkle of seeds, like chia or sunflower, and a squeeze of fresh lime for a zesty touch. Wrap it all in a whole grain tortilla or lettuce leaves for a heart-healthy meal on the go. This wrap supports artery health by lowering bad cholesterol, reducing inflammation, and providing antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage. Imagine swapping just one of your daily meals with one of these artery cleansing dishes, and over time, seeing your energy improve, your blood pressure normalize, and your heart health flourish. The power is truly on your plate. Remember, these meals are not just recipes, they're your first line of defense against cardiovascular disease. Incorporate them consistently, along with regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding harmful habits like smoking. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on Official Senior Health to never miss a heart-healthy tip. And share this video with your loved ones, because caring for your heart is the best gift you can give yourself and those you love. Thank you for watching, and here's to your heart health and longevity.